This is the easiest and fastest way to prepare banku. This banku is not regular, but the method works for your regular banku. Just like your regular banku, you need to mix corn dough and cassava dough with a generous amount of water and salt to taste. The best thing about the method I am about to show you is that your banku will never form lumps if you use this method. Mix the dough together very well until there are no lumps. I am just adding some salt and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has so many health benefits. And even though I use yellow corn dough, which was going to result in yellow, some tint of yellow banku, the turmeric powder adds a very beautiful yellow color to the banku, and I so love it. Here's the trick. Put a little bit of water into your pot and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, pour in your corn and cassava dough mixture and start stirring. It cooks almost immediately. I like to pass my mixture through a strainer to remove some of the chaff. My ring light is broken, so I struggled a little stirring the banku. But trust me, if you use this method, you wouldn't need to drive the banku too hard or too long. In latest by 15 minutes, your banku is all done. And you wouldn't have any lumps too. This method is simply going to change your life. You love making banku more and more from now. Just look at this. I'm even driving with just one hand, and look at this. No lumps, perfectly cooked, thoroughly. Like, need I say more? Once the banku is done, I will form it into balls using this cup-shaped bowl. I line the bowl with plain plastic and dip it into water. Then I form the balls. I had 5 big balls, and this is how I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Have a blessed day.